Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to solve the problem of text or paragraph not aligning in your Word document. So how to do it? Let's follow the steps. For example, I copy some text and paste it in my Word document. You can see that this paragraph is not aligned. If I click on the alignment options, it cannot be aligned according to my requirements. So how can I fix this problem? Simply go to the Clear All Formatting option and click on it. You can see that all of formatting has been removed from this paragraph. Now you can justify your text matching your requirements. You can change the styles, you can change the size, etc. Thank you for watching.